Hello everyone, good morning, good morning. Prepare unit for Wednesday auction, Wednesday big sale. So available all unit preparing. Starting price only 85k. Auction Wednesday. So many available unit Canter. Isuzu 4GJ2 10 feet only 460k. Double cab Isuzu 4GJ2 also same price. And Isuzu 4GJ2, sorry, Isuzu 4JJ1 only 380k. 10 feet double tire spider eyes. Mazda 10 feet. Mitsubishi Canter forward 4M40 only 460k. Canter 4M50 forward Canter 4M40, Canter 4M40 fully recon single tire Mulier, same tire. Canter 4M40 only 480k. Prato price. Isuzu ELF 4JJ2 fully recon, fully finish, 4x2 10 feet only 440k. Only 440k. Big sale, Wednesday big sale, discount price 440k. Fully recon, fully finished, same tire, 10 feet 4JJ2 Isuzu ELF 4JJ2. Brato price, discounted price, fully recon. And Canter 4M40 single tire, double tire, same tire. So 10 feet only 460. Brato price, Wednesday big sale. Forward many available. So Wednesday big sale, Prato price, discounted price. Canter only 380k. 5 truck, fully recon only 500k. Prato price. Isuzu forward mini dump Isuzu ELF only 640k. Wide, same price 640k. Canter, mini dam. Canter mini dam only 450k. Barato price, fully recon, fully finished. DA17 4x2 only 185k. Dala distro, dala aircon, dala conversion, change oil, change filter. Also same price, same unit. DA17 V 4x2 185k. Assist, dala distro, dala aircon, dala conversion. So also DA17 V, same price, same unit. So DA17 V 4x2 all power captain seat only 195k to 220k price. So many available unit. Same unit also. DA17 V 4x2 all power captain seat only 210k. Barato price. Samurai DA64W all power captain seat, sliding door, fully finished, fully recon only 230k. So Barato price. DA17W RO6A engine, 3-layer, sliding door, fully loaded setup only 320k. DA17V only 185k. Dala distro, dala aircon, dala conversion, and for recon basic setup only 240k. Discounted price. Minivan DA64V only 135k. Dala distro, dala aircon. WagonR starting price only 85k. Barato price. Only 80k. WagonR. So Wednesday big sale, every Wednesday big sale. Discounted price, many unit available. So we are located Kansuhom, SRP Road, Kansuhom, Talisai City. SRP Road, Kansuhom, Talisai City, near Star Oil. Bongo only 325k. 325k. Barato price. Mazda Bongo, fully recon, fully finished.